Hello.
Oh,
Yeah, I just wait two authors, and I request them to attend this meeting. So, please just wait for them.
yes, yes, no problem. Yeah.
Hello.
Um,
Okay, so yeah, I also requested to Satorupa to join this meeting, but I couldn't get response. So let's start. And hello, Yujia. Can I call you Yujia?
yes, correct, Yuja.
Okay, so.
Yeah, so I'm just interested to join,
Mhm,
like, contribute,
mhm,
um, this white paper because I
mhm,
know, um, I'm an observer, so actually I saw this, initiative for a long time. I think
mhm.
last year. So
I guess.
yeah, so I think maybe you guys need some help. So the reason I want to join, I want to contribute.
Mhm. Okay, thank you very much. Kindly, we request the uh, expert to review this white paper. Example, Evan is a co-chair of CNSF Tax Security, and Omri is a Open Foundation Authden Group co-chair, and Kyohei is a representative of the this white paper's audience. That means the cloud native architect and also cloud native developer. And Takashi is a maintainer of Keycloak and he's the expert of identity and access management. And Meyer is the expert of Spiffy. So yeah, we request every role to review the deep review for this white paper. And currently we receive many comments and we just finished the response of the all comments. So we plan to request these reviewers to review this white paper again. Yeah, that is today's plan. So yeah, uh, yeah, that is current status. And yeah, I welcome your contribution. And yeah, if you find some uh, concern or problem, yeah, please comment this white paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I can join as like a reviewer, is right?
Yes, maybe your role. I heard from Satarupa that your role maybe fit to the cloud native developer, cloud native architect, I think. So yeah.
Uh, yes. Currently, I'm working with the MCP white paper. So I already contributed the MCP authentication like security white paper now.
Mhm,
Um, yeah, I think I can join as a reviewer. So
mhm,
I'm working with the Discover Financial Service, the credit card.
mhm,
So I'm a like software engineer. I'm working with the conversational AI.
mhm.
So yeah, so I believe I can do it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. The current status is, yeah, as I previously said that the first expert review was finished. So yeah, then we plan to request this, the second review process. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get started. So, do you find this material or
You mean the link? I have it. Yeah. I already like bookmarked. Oh, you mean add me?
is, yeah, I write the URL in this chat, and
Oh,
also this
okay.
is the white paper. Yep. So let's get
Okay.
started. Uh, no, Sadarapa is not yet joined, so I'd like to solve the only I and Furoyuki. This is okay. Resources. Mhm. Yeah, we'd like to get the response from Sataruper and also then other here. I see. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to here. Mm-hmm. No, hello Sataruper.
Hello.
Okay, so yeah, uh, let's get started. And regarding this, YDC nodes also can be used. Yeah, and I rephrase this and uh Hiroyuki already checks this, so yeah, I'd like to accept this suggestion. Yeah, that's all I think.
This is a new comment from
I
me,
see. Mm-hmm.
and
The enforcement
I
around
think
doesn't
yeah,
protect against downgrade attacks. Should we mention somewhere that the authorization server must also enforce? I see. Okay, yeah, I agree with you. So add the task for this.
thank you.
And okay, so then let's go from above here. What is this? Ah, okay, yeah, this is just so the first one is the writing the SPIFFE part without dividing it into server and agent, and change document was done.
Yes, I added some sentence in section 4.6 and 4.7. Could you
Mhm.
check the sentence?
Okay. Oh, this one.
Yes.
Mhm. We decide to mention both SPIFFE workload endpoint and alternative SBT delivery mechanism on the SPIFFE workload endpoint SBT delivery mechanism. The requirements sections 4.6 and 4.7 need to reflect this same approach. However, repeating SPIFFE workload endpoint or SPIFFE SBT delivery mechanism is in every requirement would be verbose by adding a statement in the note clarifying that requirements apply to alternative mechanisms accordingly. We keep the main text simply using only specific endpoint while ensuring applicability to alternative mechanism is covered. Okay, so the node is here.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense, I think. Do you have any idea, Watarupa? Do you agree with this?
I think this is okay. We can go with this.
Okay, so I approve this suggestion and edit space. Okay. Then this is
Yeah.
also the same.
Yeah, same sentence. Yeah. And then also I added into number 3.
Change to the delivery mechanism can optionally include the standardized workload API to the delivery mechanism may use a specific workload API, quality secrets, invoices. I see. Yeah, that seems good, I think. What do you think, Satarupa?
Yeah, this is okay.
Okay, that's all, I think. And yeah, so this was done. And the next one is the resources. And we check the resources that Satarupa done. And I think, yeah, this is my opinion. To respond to Evan's point, I think it would be better to include just a few introductory links. So, and also, the Evan's comment says that here. Let's link a couple of resources for beginners and then assume that readers have intermediate knowledge of authentication authorization, but limited cloud native specific knowledge. So we don't need to add the kind of cloud native specific resources. So yeah, I reduce the resources that not including cloud native specific IAM or cloud Kubernetes specific IAM, just keep this foundational IAM concept as a beginner. What do you think about this?
I think maybe we should include the number 4 as well in the beginner section.
This number 4?
Yeah, this one.
I see. Why do you think so?
This is also like really beginner friendly, and I feel it would be better to include this because it's directly related to our white paper.
Mm-hmm.
It has all the terms and everything, so.
I see. So why previously this resource was categorized to cloud native specific IAM?
Yeah, because like I had arranged it based on the title to like easily separate those resources, but this one is mostly a beginner friendly resource. Like it's really easier to understand.
I see. Okay. Yeah, in my understanding, just my opinion is that these two resources are covered many concepts. So yeah, if this is easy to understand, maybe almost all how to say the jargons or some idea are covered by this Microsoft material and also their material. And what do you think about this? Is there anything we need these resources? Tarupa?
No, it's not like really different from that one. It's just
Mhm.
more simpler compared to those two resources. I think in that case we can remove it.
I see. Mhm. Yeah, I know that these two material and these two materials are, I think, are more famous than this resource, I think. So, yeah, I think these two resources is enough. Mm. Do you have any opinion, Hiroyuki?
I'm also believe it's enough. Especially
Mhm.
Microsoft document is good because this document define authentication and authorization,
Mhm.
which are not defined in this white paper.
Mhm.
So Mira is the very useful document.
Okay, yeah. Thank you very much. So, I'd like to reduce the number of the resources, and so I'd like to, write only these two resources. Is it okay, Sadarupa?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I accept this suggestion. This is done. And next one is the add use case diagram. Did you add the use case diagram?
Yeah, but it was not correct. Actually, the shapes are not correct, so I will redo it.
I see. Oh,
So
here.
it should not be like this, right? Or it's okay. Usually it's vertical. No, it's horizontal, right? Because it's these are on one side, and then we have the environment in the middle. So I was planning to change that alignment and then share it.
Mhm.
Also, the shape is
Okay.
not that correct. It should be oval, I feel.
I see. Okay, so yeah, go back here later. So the next one is this comment. Yeah, this is addressing the Evan comment that we only write about the implementation failure. So yeah, I added the design failure. Yeah, and Hiroyuki checks the description and is it okay to check this Sadarupa? Is it okay to accept this suggestion?
Yeah.
Okay, I accept this suggestion. Mhm. And then next is comment. Yeah, previously, I write here that this white paper aims to provide a comprehensive guide to help cloud-native ecosystem. But in here, this white paper will concentrate exclusively on HTTP-based protocols such as REST APIs and gRPC like that. And this was he said conflict. So I changed that term comprehensive to the practical. Yeah, that's the only change. And is it okay, Satarupa?
Yeah, I think it's better to use practical here.
Thank you very much. Okay, so I accept the suggestion. Next. This is that we don't write about managing the policy, like creating, deleting, and changing the authorization policies. To clarify this and avoid ambiguity, I have updated the scope section to explicitly state the followings that this paper focusing on system-level authorization evaluated at the runtime using PEPs and PDPs, and doesn't cover authorization policy management or use of authorization scenarios. Yep. And Hiroyuki already checks. And what do you think about this, Satarupa?
Yeah, I'm also okay with this change.
Yeah, I accept the suggestion. And then next. This is regarding federated identity model. And yeah, I think Evan misunderstanding the term federated identity model. And yeah, so I pointed out that and federated identity model is just it just delegate the authentication to the authorization server, and that doesn't mean and also this centralized identity model is not that just mean the one IDP or something like that. And centralized identity model is the siloed per application identity stores. So yeah, I pointed out like that. And yeah, I also consider some adding sentences, but we already referred this resources, and also we describe this terminology in glossary like this. So yeah, I think this is enough. So where is that? Yeah, I explain that things like this. Yeah. What do you think about this, Satarupa?
Yeah, I think that's okay. And I was about to point out that we have already mentioned it in the glossary. So I think explanation is okay. I don't think we have to explain it again in the white paper itself.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so then next, this one. Yes, we need to add some description about authentication and authorization. And yeah, I answered that the appendix resources section provide interactive materials intended for readers who may unfamiliar with this concept. And as Hiroki said that this Microsoft resources describe what is authentication and what is authorization, like this. Yeah, so we can use this, and yeah, that is following the Evans opinion. Evans said, yeah, we could link to some reasonable introductory materials. Yeah, so I respond like this. What do you think?
So about this, wherever we are pointing out to an external resource, should we add something like please refer to resources tab or something so that the user knows where they can find out about this?
Resource tab. I see.
Like resource section, please refer to
Mhm.
resource section for this, something along those lines, or maybe a keyword for it, where if it's mentioned, then it's pointing out to the sources, something like that. Because right now we know that this is pointing out to the source, the reviewer knows that this is pointing out to the source, but the reader might not know about this. So just to make it easier.
I see. So what should we do? Maybe the audience who don't know the authentication and authorization, maybe we assume that they are beginner. So
We can do this. Maybe we can add those stars. I have seen in some papers they add star at the end of the sentence. So, and there is a description in the footer that please refer to resources, something like that we can do.
I see. So where is that is introduction section?
Yeah. No, right. Like the part where Ivan has pointed out that there should be some resource related to authorization and authentication. Yeah, may after technologies.
After technology?
Yeah, in the introduction itself we can add, but um,
Maybe.
yeah, this one, this comment.
Yeah, I know, but yeah, I think that resources appendix is enough, but you mean that we need to some
Like
link.
we need to point out it for the
Mhm.
readers.
I see. Yeah, how to do that?
Yeah. Could you point out where he has like linked that comment for the resources?
Yeah, maybe here.
Oh,
Just section. Yeah.
importance of IAM. Okay. We have this right. Robust authentication and authorization in the third line.
Third line. Here.
Yeah. So at the end, before the comma, we can add a star
Mhm.
at the top, 2 stars at the top, and then in the footer we can mention what those stars mean.
I see. I see. So here we pointed out some
Yeah, like a subscript, similar
introductory.
to
resource.
what we have done for the references, similar to that, but we will not point out any numbers, but we will add a single star or 2 stars, and then we can add the meaning of it here. We can also use a caret, but like either one of them would be good, I feel.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, like this. Here we have the numbers, right, for the references, but instead of the references we will have please refer to resource section.
Okay. Yeah. So put to point out resource to describe authentication and authorization. Yep. Okay. So okay, so for now I check this row and then next one. No, this is regarding the trust domain. And yeah, we write trust domain, and this trust domain has the two meaning. So yeah, we need to clarify that. So I add the description in the beginning of our picture. Is that here? Yes. And that is just only checks with Hiroyuki. And that is here. In this white paper, a trust domain refers to the SPIFFE trust domain, which also serves as the trust boundary for OIDC and OAuth token reassurance and validation. What do you think about this? Satarupa?
Yeah, I think we can add this. I'm okay with this change.
Okay, and also this is just a small change that clarification that there is no mention of multi-cluster, multi-domain. Is it okay to add this?
Yes.
Okay, so I accept this suggestion. And yep, the next one is here. And this is regarding the Myers comment. Yes. We currently prepare two diagrams, but that is a little difficult to understand, she said, and she provides some idea that we can separate three small diagrams, but I answered like this, that We agree that diagram complexity and redundancy are important concerns, especially for readers trying to understand the key ideas or patterns. But the intent of figure 4.1 and 4.2 is to serve as an overall picture of the patterns rather than workload or persona-specific views. And also, even if the diagrams were split into multiple figures, core components such as the OIDCOP, PDP, and SPP infrastructure would still appear repeatedly, so some level of redundancy is inherent and in comparing the end-to-end architecture. Yeah. And also, we already changed that. We added the step-by-step explanations, and also we restructured the requirements section. So yeah, our hope is that with these changes, the diagram remains consolidated as overall pictures while becoming somewhat easier to follow. Yeah, that is my answer. And what do you think, Satarupa?
I
Does that
think
make sense?
that's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe here. The next one is yeah, this one. We already checked this. The next one is here. Takashi says that, yeah, this validating claims according to the expected values, that's a little hmm, not good, and yeah, we need to describe more concretely. So I changes this to validating issue audience and time-based claims. And what do you think about this, Hiroyuki and Satarupa?
Yeah, I think this is easier to follow.
Okay. How do you think, Hiroyuki?
Sorry, I need more time to check
Okay.
here. So yeah, I will check later
Okay.
until next meeting.
Okay, so the next is this one. Yes, in here, Omori said that we can refer to the transaction tokens, but my response is that transaction token is drafted and not widely adapted, so we didn't reference them here. What do you think about this, Taruba?
Reference transaction token.
Maybe if we mention that
Should we mention it in the glossary? Because I don't think we have specifically discussed transaction tokens in this white paper. So, like, how, if we introduce it as a architecture pattern, I don't think it makes much sense.
Yeah, if we mention transaction token or something like this drafted or still drafted specification or not so established and widely adopted standards, maybe we need to add several specification in several parts. So that's not good for this white paper because there the volume was more increasing and
Yeah, I think we should leave it as it is.
okay. Yeah, thank you very much. So this is done. And the next one is here. Yeah, this is almost the same part. And Takashi said that we need to mention about internal to external token exchange, but we don't mention that because the internal external is not our scope. That is my answer. What do you think about this, Sotarupa?
Yeah, I agree with you on this.
Okay, thank you. And the next one. Here, Takashi said that might be better to mention how to do that. And for example, token exchange, transaction token like that. And I agree with him. So I added, for example, using OAuth to token exchange. What do you think? Maybe that is Satarupa?
Mm. Yeah, I think this is okay.
Okay, I accept the suggestion.
But he said how. So do we have to explain this process here? Because Takashi, he mentioned that like how to do that.
Maybe his meaning of how is for example, token exchange and transaction token. So that is a method or specification or state standard to implement this requirement. So I think this explanation is enough. So I also ask him to what do you think. So if he has some opinion about this, we can get them
Yeah,
via the second review process, I think.
I see. I see. In that case, that this is fine.
Okay, thank you very much. And the next one is this one. And we only refer to revocation in refresh token area, but he said is an access token revocation also needed. And our concept is the revocation capability is not necessary in access token, but we mentioned about that revocation capability may be supported, but it is generally unnecessary because short-lived access tokens naturally limit exposure, like this. And Hiroki already, agree with this. What do you think, Satarupa?
Yeah, I think this is okay.
Okay. So, and the next one is, we already mentioned the authorization endpoint, token endpoint, and design for the endpoint, but is it needed to consider other endpoints? So, I wrote like this. When optional features are supported, the OP must exposure the corresponding endpoints defined by the relevant standards. For example, OIDC logout, RFC 7009 token location, RFC 7662 token introspection. What do you think? Maybe Hiroki already agreed. So what do you think, Satarupa?
Yeah, I agree with that change.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is done. So the next one is this. Yeah. Omri says that using SBIT, of course, we can. This is just changed within space, and we can authenticate the PP using SBIT, and also we can enable the PDP to apply authorization policies based on workload identity in addition to user identity, supporting dual subject authorization in the advanced pattern. Yeah, he said like this, so I agree with him and I added like this. What do you think? Hiroki agree with this. What do you think, Satarupa?
Yeah, I'm okay with this change.
Okay. Also, this is okay. So this part's done. And then, I asked, Hiroyuki to answer this comment. Yeah, this is regarding the SPIFFE, sovereign SPIFFE agent problem. And this expression is assertive because redundant configurations are possible physically. Yes.
I tried to check here, but sorry, I
Okay.
forgot to the place.
Okay. So, and next one is, this is, I found before that the big opening statement of 2.4.2 and basic pattern and 2.4.3 advanced pattern overlap with the descriptions of basic pattern and advanced pattern in 2.4.1. So relation for basic and advanced pattern. So the background is summarized in 2.4.1. That is like this. Previously, there's some description of the basic pattern and advanced pattern here. And also there's some description of the basic pattern here and description of advanced pattern here. So we summarize the background here, and then some configuration are the top part of the each section. What do you think about this changing?
I'm okay with this change.
How about Hiroyuki?
I'm also okay.
So accept the suggestion. Okay. This was okay. Next, this is also regarding the SPIFFE relating comments. So please answer this comment, Hiroyuki. And after this, there are new comment from Evan. So I answered questions. Okay, but the timer was already I'd like to answer all comments and address all comments this week. Do you have time to address these comments? Or do you have time to do this assigned task?
No worries with that. I think there are around 4 comments which we have not discussed today. I will go through them and I will update in the sheet itself, in this docs, I mean. And once done, I will update in the group as well.
Okay. How about Hiroyuki? Do you have time for address this comment this week?
I think so. Okay.
Okay. So let's interact with the Slack channel. So there are 5 minutes left. So I'd like to check other comment. Maybe here. This is Evan's comment that previously we write here NIST SP 800 to 162, but this standard appears in already here. So this standards appears 2 times. So that is redundant. That is his comment. So we delete this one And I rephrase like authentication parts that authorization requirements separate enforcement and decision logic, enabling observable attribute or relationship-based access control with consistent centrally reasoned decisions across cloud native workload. Yeah, this changing is also addressing this another comment that flexible and scalable seem like relative words. So can we align benefits more with cloud native principles like declarative and observable? So yeah, according to his comment, and also following this white paper, I changed like this, enabling observable attribute or relationship-based access control with consistent centrally reasoned decisions across cloud native workloads. What do you think about this changing?
Yeah, I'm okay with this change.
How about this hierarchy?
I'm also okay.
Okay, so I accept the suggestion. Okay. Yeah, maybe 2 minutes left. Okay, so yeah, I like to finish today's meeting. Thank you for attending this meeting. And do you have any comments, Yujia?
Currently not. So I will take a look and read the document, then I will add my comment in the future. I think
Okay,
this
thank you
week,
very much.
maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. So yeah, that's all for today. So thank you for attending this meeting and bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.